the era of high interest savings accounts, otherwise known as HISA, is gone. Now it's all called LISA, low interest savings accounts. After my last cash saving strategy video update, all of these interest accounts are slowly dying. UOB One account, OCBC 360 account, and now only the surviving ones are HSBC EGA and Standard Chartered Bonus Saver, which is still quite decent. So as of the recording date, I have very low cash holdings now. Most of the cash are already fully invested in the stock market. Then for my liquid cash holdings, I place them in my HSBC Everyday Global account, which is earning around 3.5% if I include the Everyday Plus bonus interest. But that's just for the liquid cash funds. How about the semi-liquid cash funds? I usually put them into investment funds which can still generate a good return passively. And since many of you have asked me about funds, especially short-term bond funds, I decided to cover them in today's video topic. And if you're new to the channel, you may want to join the Telegram group because that is when I first do my updates and join over 21,000 members in the Honey Money SG Telegram group. First of all, I want to be very clear that funds are investments. The capital is not guaranteed. There is no SDIC insurance unlike bank accounts, so you may make a loss. The risk profile is really different for someone who is placing their funds in like a fixed deposit or T-bill versus a fund. So you have to do your own due diligence on whether this product is suitable for you. Today, there are two types of funds that I want to talk about, and number one is the Longbridge Cash Plus Enhanced Liquidity Funds. The specific product is called the iFast SGD Enhanced Liquidity A Fund for SGD and iFast USD Enhanced Liquidity USDA for USD. These two funds are available on Longbridge platform, and they invest in high-quality short-term instruments such as high-quality government and corporate bonds, commercial bills, and fixed deposits, which matures in 397 days or less. So it is very short-term, very liquid. And always refer to the fact sheet on what this fund is investing in. Read through all the details, make sure you are comfortable with what they are investing in. So how to buy this iFast Enhanced Liquidity Fund? On your Longbridge app, click on Markets, then Fund, then click on Cash Plus. And here you can see that for the SGD Cash Plus option, the iFast SGD Enhanced Liquidity is currently at this 7 days annualized yield, which is not too bad comparing to what T-bills and SSB is offering you, just that it is not capital guaranteed, but it is fairly liquid. But if you think that this yield is not high enough, the good news is new Longbridge users can get up to 12% interest boost coupon using my link to sign up for their Longbridge account. And how to get that is that you need to deposit a minimum of 2,000 Singapore dollars and subscribe to the Longbridge Cash Plus SGD. And with my partner link, you can get 2 times of that 6% per annum interest boost coupon. Furthermore, if you complete some buy, trade, and holding requirements, you can get some free stocks based on the respective tiers. For example, on the second tier of $10,000, you can get 1 Apple share when you deposit 10,000 Singapore dollars, maintain for 90 days, and complete 5 buy trades of either stocks or ETFs. This does not include funds for the buy trade order, so be very careful. Always refer to the specific T&C link in the description below and start boosting your returns with Longbridge Singapore today. Next up, I want to talk about short-term bond funds, which a lot of you are interested in after my coverage. Specifically, I want to talk about LionGlobal Short Duration Bond Fund. This is a fund that I have invested in for close to 4 months now, and the objective of this fund is to provide total return of capital growth and income over the medium to long term through an actively managed portfolio of Singapore and international bonds, high-quality interest rate securities, and other related securities. So as usual, make sure you read through the fact sheet, understand what you are buying into, and if you don't understand, just put this whole fact sheet into AI and ask them to explain for you before you start investing. Very important. But how to buy this fund on Longbridge? Firstly, you have to click on the search magnifying glass, then search for LionGlobal Short Duration Bond Fund. And you can see here that the past 1 year return has been over 5% per annum performance. So I decided to experience it buying this fund on the Longbridge platform starting from 23rd of July 2025. And these are my actual returns so far. So you can calculate the annualized returns based on this date and these returns on a $10,000 base capital and see whether this product fits your risk appetite. And so far, this LionGlobal Short Duration Bond Fund has performed up to my expectations and I have no complaints for now. But remember, although this product may be suitable for me, it may not be so suitable for you. So this is not financial advice, and past performance is not the guarantee of future results. I want to be clear that Longbridge is not the only trading platform that you can buy such funds. But what Longbridge stands out is that it has one of the best welcome new user rewards, like the 6% per annum interest boost coupon multiplied by 2, and that is 12%. Plus, you still get your buy trade hold rewards like the free fractional shares, which is really good for a new user to start out and they already profit. So remember to use my Longbridge partner link to sign up. It has more rewards than the usual normal link. And if you want to know my latest cash strategy and bank accounts update, then you can refer to my previous video right here.